Let's learn ABCs with me. A for aeroplane. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for hen. I for ink. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rat. S for snail. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Hope you guys like this video and find it informative. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.